everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in today's video, I have decorated a winter tablescape. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today we have our winter theme, and it's called Winter Vibes. So I hope that you join us today, and let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna start over here. Let me just give you a quick look. Okay, but we're gonna start over here so I can tell you what's the whole centerpiece here. So I have one of these block trees from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they beautiful, guys? Then we have my apothecary jar with some winter elements, the pine cones and some little wood from outside. Okay, and then we have that gold bird, which I got at Dollar General. We're gonna come on over here, and I love this centerpiece, guys. It's so beautiful. So these two green trees, they're wood. They came from Dollar General as well. This globe right here was a DIY from thrifted items that I made, and it's pretty huge, guys. Look at that. So of course in there we have the Dollar Tree snowballs, and we have a little bit of greenery, and then we have a tree. So I think this whole scene right here is absolutely beautiful. Then we have the votive, and the votive holder came from the Dollar Tree. If we come on over here, the stand, the gold stand came from Dollar General, okay? And this is my little smaller apothecary jar. Then we have the black bird that came from Kirkland's, and then we have the candle and the candle holder, and that came from the Dollar Tree. So this is what that centerpiece is looking like, guys. So I am loving how this winter centerpiece is looking. That globe was like perfect in the center. So let's talk about this tablescape. Look how beautiful that is. All right. So here we have a buffalo check napkin, and then I have this beautiful, looks like a diamond ring, a napkin ring. This was gifted, and I think the buffalo check napkins were gifted as well. Then I purchased these plates from Home Goods. Absolutely love them. And I believe these buffalo check dishes were thrifted, because the pattern on the Dollar Tree ones are a little bit different. So this one was thrifted. Isn't that beautiful, guys? And then we have this charger, and the charger came from Hobby Lobby. So we do have some little high and low elements here to decorate this place setting. So then we have, I decided to put the fork up there. I like how that looks. And then we have the knife and the spoon here. And this came from Party City when they were open. So, and then we have this wine glass that came from the Dollar Tree. I love the shape of that glass. And then we have the water glass, and that was thrifted from the Goodwill. So I think this is beautiful. So let's go ahead and place this back. So this is how I decided to layer that. And I thought this plate looked absolutely beautiful right there in the center. I love the fact that these plates have the ridges in them, okay, and also the charger. And then I place the napkin just like this, and it looks beautiful. All right, so let's head on over to the reveal. Okay, so let's go back over and look at the centerpiece again. So here we are at the reveal. I hope you guys have an amazing, happy new year, prosperous and healthy. And so that's what this is looking like. I am loving it. And once again, this is the place setting. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.